shining, but the road feels cold. Mama stretching dinner, trying to make ends whole. Broken roofs, empty rooms, but we still stand strong. Another year passed, still singing Christmas songs. Children asking questions, eyes full of dreams. Santa's still coming, in between the scenes. Life get rough, yeah, the struggle real clear, but love never leaves us. Christmas still here.
Even when the cover low, even when the nights feel long,
we hold hands,
say a prayer, and we keep pushing on.
Christmas still lives here,
Is the heart, not the tree,
in the love that we share.
in you and in me.
No gold, no show, no big display, but hope wake up.
Every Christmas day,
Christmas still lives here.
hear the people say,
We might bend,
but we never pray.
one pot bubbling, laughter in the air. Neighbors share what little they spare. Oh, radio playing a familiar tune. The December breeze humming like a sweet afternoon. We don't need riches wrapped in a ball, just peace in the yard and the love we know. Through storm and rain, oh, through loss and fear,
Reminders,
Christmas still here.
light a candle,
Dry the tears,
tell the kids tomorrow bright.
even in the darkest times, I'll still win the fight. Christmas still lives here. Is no heart, not the dream, in the